it's Miss Karen from the Hancock Town Library with a science experiment for you today. And this is how to make a cloud in a jar. And it's really, really simple. The things that you need, I'm sure you probably have in your house. You need some ice, a glass jar, and really hot water. You could put it in the microwave to heat it up. If you just use the faucet, you can just make sure it's really warm to hot water. And I added food coloring. You don't have to do this at home. I did it just so you at home watching this can see the water more clearly. So, and also you need a cover. We're going to put the cover in reverse position, or a plate, anything that will cover the top of the jar, and hairspray. Okay, so what we do is you take your hot water and you pour it about a third quantity in the jar. Okay. And what I do is, that I recommend, is to just sort of swirl the water a little bit, so you want to warm up the glass, because the rest of the glass is cold at different temperature. So you want it to be pretty warm all around. So once you do that, now I'm just going to put the ice in this reverse cover. It's always good to have everything ready ahead of time so you're not running to the freezer to get the ice. So you put that on top. Now this is part one of the experiment. Not much is going to happen until you add the hairspray, and I'll explain why. What happens here is, so there's warm water, and it causes the water vapor to rise to the top, and when it comes into contact with cold air caused by the ice, then you'll see condensation. Just very slight condensation on the glass. Sort of just looks like little droplets. But when I add the hairspray, put that back in. So you see more of a cloud formation. And the reason is, in the air outside, when there's condensation, the droplets, the water vapor that rises to the top and comes into contact with the cold air, condenses when it cools down, but you can really only see the cloud form if the water vapor has something to condense on or to connect with. So the hairspray in your environment, it would probably be things like dust, pollution, even smoke, and so the water vapor adheres to those particles, and a cloud is formed when it attaches to those particles of dust, pollen, in this case the hairspray, and that is how you get the cloud. There's a really big word to describe what the hairspray is doing. It's causing a cloud condensation nuclei, or a cloud seed. So that is basically, I don't know if you can see that there is a cloud. Now I'm going to release this cloud in a few seconds. Okay, here we go. Look at the top of the jar. Okay, there we go. It's being released. So that is how you do a cloud in a jar. So you can try it at home, and you'll learn all about condensation, hopefully, in the process. So thanks for tuning in. Thank you. Bye.